Kicking off our countdown, we bring you the Antikythera Mechanism. This enigmatic relic was discovered at the bottom of the Mediterranean Sea, off the coast of the Greek island, Antikythera. Unearthed from a shipwreck in the early 20th century, this intriguing fragment of our past dates back to somewhere between the 2nd and 1st century BCE. Now, what makes the Antikythera mechanism so fascinating is its complexity. Comprised of a series of interlocking gears and dials, it's often hailed as the world's first analog computer. Yes, you heard it right, a computer that predates our modern versions by over 2 millennia. You might be thinking, what on earth did the ancients need a computer for? Well, that's where the mystery begins. The device appears to be a kind of astronomical calculator. It could track the cycles of the solar system, predict solar and lunar eclipses, and may even have been used to schedule the Olympic Games. But despite the speculations, we're still not entirely sure of its purpose. Imagine the scene: an ancient Greek scholar, perhaps in a bustling city like Athens or Alexandria, watching the heavens and working out the intricate mathematics to construct this device. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, but it also raises many questions. How did they achieve such precision? What knowledge did they possess? Many experts have marveled at the sophistication of the Antikythera mechanism. One such expert comments, "The level of detail and accuracy in this device is simply astounding. It shows us that the ancient Greeks had a far deeper understanding of astronomy and engineering than we ever imagined." Yet despite our best efforts to unravel its secrets, the Antikythera mechanism holds onto its mysteries tightly. Who made it? How was it used? And, perhaps most tantalizingly, were there others like it? This advanced device from the past continues to baffle us and makes us wonder, what else did the ancients know? Moving on to number 6, let's fly over to the deserts of Peru to explore the enigmatic Nazca Lines. These aren't just simple lines drawn in the sand. Imagine colossal sketches spanning hundreds of feet, depicting a diverse range of figures from hummingbirds and monkeys to spiders and plants. The scale is so mind-boggling that these designs can only be fully appreciated from an aerial perspective, which raises the question, how could an ancient civilization without flight capability create such precise, large-scale artwork? This question has puzzled researchers and historians for decades. The Nazca Lines, named after the Nazca culture, believed to have created them between 200 BC and 500 AD, are among the most mysterious archaeological wonders in the world. Various theories have been proposed about their purpose. Some suggest that the lines were part of a vast astronomical calendar, while others propose that they were created for religious rituals, possibly to be seen by deities in the sky. The method behind their creation is equally perplexing. It's believed that the Nazca people removed the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the desert. When the gravel was removed, they were left with a contrast in hue, with the light-colored earth underneath creating the lines. But this doesn't explain how they achieved such precision and scale. Some researchers have attempted to recreate the lines using tools and techniques that would have been available to the Nazca people. While they've had some success, these experiments still don't fully explain the complexity and sheer size of the geoglyphs, whether they were a celestial map, a religious symbol, or something else entirely. One thing is certain: the Nazca Lines are an extraordinary testament to the ingenuity and artistic flair of an ancient culture. And for now, they continue to be a mesmerizing enigma, etched in the deserts of Peru, waiting for us to unravel their mysteries. For our next stop, we travel to an ancient site in Turkey, Göbekli Tepe. This archaeological marvel, often referred to as the world's first temple, is a testament to the capabilities of early human societies. It predates the invention of farming, dating back over 11,000 years, and its existence challenges our understanding of human history. Imagine, if you will, a time when humans were primarily hunter-gatherers, living in small, mobile groups. Yet here in Göbekli Tepe, we find evidence of a large, complex structure, believed to have been built by these pre-agricultural societies. This poses a tantalizing question. How could such an elaborate site have been constructed without the societal structure and resources that agriculture would have provided? The site is composed of enormous stone pillars, intricately carved with a menagerie of wild animals. These pillars, some of which weigh up to 20 tons, are arranged in circles, creating a series of stone henges. The precision and sophistication of the site's architecture are awe-inspiring, further deepening the mystery of its construction. The purpose of Göbekli Tepe is another enigma. Some theories propose it was a place of ritual, a pilgrimage site attracting people from far and wide. Yet, with no evidence of permanent habitation, we can only speculate about the activities that took place here. Let's hear from an expert on this subject. Dr. Julia Watson, a renowned archaeologist, shares her thoughts on Göbekli Tepe. She states, "The existence of Göbekli Tepe confronts us with a fascinating paradox. It suggests a level of societal organization and architectural skill that we didn't think was possible for hunter-gatherer societies. It's both a reminder of our past and a mystery that continues to perplex us." Indeed, Göbekli Tepe is a silent testament to the ingenuity and potential of our ancestors. As we continue to excavate and study this site, we hope to uncover more about the people who built it and the purpose it served in their lives. Unearthing more about Göbekli Tepe may rewrite our understanding of early human societies. At number 4, we delve into the pages of the baffling Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a perplexing artifact that has puzzled scholars for centuries. Discovered in the early 20th century and named after its discoverer, Wilfrid Voynich, this manuscript is a codex filled with cryptic text and peculiar illustrations. From fantastical plants that don't match any known species to strange astrological diagrams and what appear to be detailed anatomical drawings, the manuscript is a kaleidoscope of the bizarre and unexplained. The text itself is written in an unknown language, or perhaps a cipher that has yet to be deciphered despite the best efforts of linguists and cryptographers from around the globe. This enigmatic script, flowing elegantly across over 200 pages, has stubbornly resisted all attempts at translation. But what is the Voynich manuscript's purpose? Some believe it to be a herbal manual, detailing the medicinal properties of plants. Others speculate it could be an alchemical text, filled with arcane knowledge known only to a select few. There are those who suggest it might be a work of fiction, a fantastical story captured in a language of the author's own creation. And then there are the skeptics, who argue the manuscript is nothing more than an elaborate hoax, a cleverly crafted puzzle designed to confound and amuse. After all, it wouldn't be the first time in history that a forger has created a mysterious artifact to bewilder the scholarly world. The manuscript's origin is just as enigmatic as its content. Radiocarbon dating places its creation in the early 15th century, but beyond that, its history is shrouded in mystery. It's unclear who wrote it, where it was written, or why. The Voynich manuscript is a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown. Despite our advances in technology and knowledge, there are still mysteries from our past that remain unsolved. Secrets that are kept hidden in the pages of time. Though we may never crack its code, the Voynich manuscript continues to mystify and intrigue. Our next mysterious discovery takes us to the remote Easter Island, home to the enigmatic Moai statues. These colossal monoliths, carved from solid rock, dot the landscape, standing as silent witnesses to a past civilization. The Easter Island Moai, with their oversized heads and heavy bodies, are an architectural marvel. Weighing up to 80 tons and towering as high as 33 feet, their sheer size is awe-inspiring. But the real mystery lies not in their size, but in how these massive figures were carved and moved across the island. Consider this. The islanders had no metal tools, no wheels, and no large animals to aid in transportation. Yet they managed to quarry, sculpt, and transport these gigantic statues for miles across the island. The level of ingenuity required for such a feat is truly staggering, and the methods they used remain a subject of ongoing debate. Some theories propose that the islanders used a system of ropes and ramps to move the Moai. Others suggest that they were walked into place by tilting them from side to side. Despite extensive research, no definitive answer has been found. Let's hear from our expert. The engineering feats required to create and move the Moai are astounding, especially considering the limited resources available to the islanders. Their significance, too, remains a subject of debate. Were they religious icons, representations of ancestors, or something else entirely? We may never truly know. The Moai also raise questions about the society that created them. What drove these people to invest so much time and effort into these statues, and what eventually led to their decline? Did they exhaust their resources, or did internal conflict cause their downfall? These silent sentinels of Easter Island keep their secrets well, leaving us with more questions than answers. But that's the beauty of archaeology, isn't it? Every discovery opens a new door to the past, and with it, endless possibilities for understanding our own place in the grand tapestry of human history. At number 2, we examine the precision-engineered Sacsayhuamán Walls in Peru. Nestled on the outskirts of the ancient Incan capital, Cusco, the Sacsayhuamán archaeological site is a testament to the remarkable engineering skills of a civilization that thrived here more than 600 years ago. These walls, a marvel of ancient architecture, are composed of massive stone blocks, some weighing up to 200 tons. Despite their colossal size, these blocks are fitted together with such precision that not even a sheet of paper can fit between them. The meticulous alignment of these stones, without the aid of mortar or any binding substance, is an enigma that continues to intrigue experts. How did the Incas manage to transport these enormous stones from the quarry, situated more than 20 miles away, to the site? How did they achieve such an impeccable fit, given the irregular shapes of the stones? These questions have given rise to numerous theories, each as fascinating as the other. Some experts propose that the Incas had developed a sophisticated understanding of geometry and physics, which allowed them to carve the stones with such precision. Others suggest the use of unknown ancient technology or even extraterrestrial intervention. While these theories might seem far-fetched, the sheer scale and precision of the Sacsayhuamán Walls make it hard to dismiss them outright. One popular theory suggests that the Incas used a technique known as rock knitting. This involved chiseling the stones, placing them in position, and then repeatedly heating and cooling the surface until the stones fit perfectly. However, this theory, like many others, lacks concrete evidence. The Sacsayhuamán Walls challenge our understanding of ancient technology. The mystery surrounding their construction continues to baffle experts and spark endless speculation. These walls stand as an awe-inspiring reminder of the architectural prowess of our ancestors, leaving us in awe of their precision. And finally, at number 1, we journey to Egypt to marvel at the Great Sphinx of Giza. This colossal limestone statue, with the body of a lion and the head of a human, keeps vigil over the Giza Plateau, a timeless sentinel that has weathered the passage of millennia. The Great Sphinx is a marvel of ancient architecture. Carved directly from the bedrock, it measures an impressive 241 feet long and 66 feet high. But the true age of this monument is a subject of heated debate among historians and archaeologists. Some believe it was created by the pharaoh Khafre around 2500 BC, while others argue that it predates the Egyptian civilization itself, pointing to evidence of water erosion that suggests a much older origin. The Sphinx's purpose is another enigma that baffles scholars. Was it a divine protector of the pharaohs, a celestial marker, or a symbol of royal authority? Its inscrutable gaze has inspired countless theories but yielded few concrete answers. Adding to the mystery is the so-called Hall of Records. Some believe that beneath the Sphinx lies a hidden chamber containing ancient records of lost civilizations, a theory fueled by seismic surveys showing unexplored cavities beneath the statue. However, without concrete evidence, this remains purely speculative. The Sphinx is also known for the riddle it poses. What creature walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 in the evening? This popular riddle, however, is a later Greek addition and not originally associated with the Sphinx of Giza, adding another layer to its complex history. Despite centuries of study, the Great Sphinx retains its aura of mystery. Its silent gaze holds 1,000 untold tales, a mute testament to a past that we are still struggling to comprehend. The Great Sphinx, a silent guardian of the desert, continues to guard its mysteries as closely as it guards the pyramids. And there you have it, 7 archaeological discoveries that continue to mystify us. The Antikythera Mechanism, a testament to ancient engineering prowess whose purpose still eludes us. The Nazca Lines, massive desert artworks whose meaning is yet to be deciphered. Göbekli Tepe, a marvel predating agriculture, challenging our understanding of early human societies. The Voynich Manuscript, a codex filled with undecipherable text and strange illustrations. The Easter island Moai, towering stone figures whose creation and purpose remain a riddle. The Sacsayhuamán Walls, an architectural marvel showcasing precision that defies explanation. And finally, the Great Sphinx of Giza, the monolithic guardian of the desert, whose origins and purpose are shrouded in mystery. These enigmas, each a testament to the ingenuity and sophistication of our ancestors, continue to captivate and challenge us. While we may never fully understand these enigmas, they remind us of the enduring allure of our past and the mysteries it still holds.